John McKeag with Liberty Aid Academy. Hey, the 1099K, the new rule is changing. $600. Oh my goodness, you're going to have to pay taxes. You're going to have to report taxes if you use Venmo, PayPal, Stripe, eBay, Shopify, anything. Any online platform is going to send you a 1099K. And you're going to have to report, you're going to have to pay taxes. Are you ready? Well, guess what? We teach you how to get out of having to pay those taxes and any taxes and having to report. We're going to have a live stream event on this on December 29th at 6 p.m. Please join in. We'll be happy to go over every detail with you. Ask any questions. It's going to be me, live, John McKeag, answering your questions. Love to help you. How do you sign up? Go to our courses page on libertyaidacademy.org or check out our Instagram, and there's a link there. Waiting for you. Let's get ready.